All right. All right. I'm trying to see the stream delay. All right. I'm trying to see the stream delay. Hmm. I'm trying to see the stream delay. Why is there such a big stream delay? I thought I fixed it. I'll have to figure it out. Where the Luke Tran? I don't know yet. He's still sleeping. Let me get the stream message out. Today we're going to be doing a giveaway in the Discord. And you guys are going to witness the winner. And then I'm going to post this on my Instagram story as well. Do, 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 do. Give me 1 second to set this up, guys. What up? What up? What up? You trading without us again? Nah. How's everyone doing tonight? Let's get a head check. I'm setting up the Kahoot. We're hosting an account giveaway inside of the premium today. The Kahoot's about to start. We're giving away 5 50K accounts on the Discord live. So if you guys want to be a part of the giveaway, join the free trial. It's the first link. I'm going to be streaming it here, and then we'll get into Trading Asia session. But I promised the Discord that I was going to give away some accounts today, and we're going to do it in a quiz style. Wob, how many what's it called? How many accounts are we giving, or how many quizzes do we have? You do 6 top 3s? Oh, all right. I'll give away 6 accounts. So we're giving away 300K in accounts. Where are library? Wob, send me the login. Send me the login on Telegram. I can't sign in with Google. You absolute moron. All right, so are you guys familiar with how Kahoot works? Hold on, guys. Wob might have fucked it up. Give it a second. This absolute moron. Dude. Hold on, where do I see my Kahoots? Hold on, guys.
Yo.
Hold on, dude.
Hello.
Give me 1 second. How do you fuck this up?
It works on my computer.
I works on my computer.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I just signed in with your account and it went in.
Oh, wait, maybe if I click the link, up to 40 participants. Yup. Classic mode. All right. All right. This is for the Discord only, so Discord fellas, join in here. Join in the Kahoot. And make sure your name is the same as your name in the Discord. Make sure,
Make sure you're doing that.
yeah, make sure it's the same on Discord.
Number
Don't
one.
do some stupid shit. Ron is in.
Do number 1 first, by the way. Don't do number 2.
I'm starting with number 1.
Nice.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun, bro.
We're giving away
All right.
300K in prop firms. Look at the
There's no
screen
link,
share.
was there?
There's no
What's the
link.
pin?
You go to kahoot.it and then you type in the game pin. Oh wait, I shouldn't have showed the thing, the stream, but most of you guys will get in before. I'll give everyone till 9:22. Give everyone a few
Don't show
minutes.
the people on YouTube, bro. It's not fair, bro.
Bro, they're not gonna win.
True. Alright, let me tune in on my laptop. Be back.
Vania did it. That's crazy. If someone from YouTube wins, then that just means they don't get anything. Like if your name doesn't match with someone in the Discord call right now, you're not winning. All right, we almost have a full Kahoot here, guys. It's not letting you do your name? Then just put a random name, bro. I did Oonga Boonga. All right, that's fine. All right. Are we ready to start? Frank, where do you do it? Look at the screen. The instructions are right at the top. Man, get your bitch ass out of here, man. Let's see. Do I not recognize any of these names? Not yet. I'm making an account. You don't have to make an account. That's not me. Get out of here. WDA dad. It's not in the Discord. So you shall be removed. Where Vaniad? This guy, not in the Discord. Removed. Alright. Discord, are we ready? Brev, I was in it but got disconnected. What was your name on it? Thanos, I know you're in it. Alright, participant limit reached. Hold on. Do I upgrade this? Oh, fine. I'll upgrade it. Fuck it, we'll just buy the expensive one. Same as your name on here. Your name is... It doesn't show me your name. It says S dot 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 dot. Don't do it. Shouldn't need more spots. There's like 33 in here? Yeah. But... Can you kick me out? I will join again. No. Alright, let's see. There's no Ryan in here. Remove Mountain 93. Do we have a Mountain 93? Nope. Oh shit, my bad, Ryan. My bad, join back, Ryan. Hold on. Yo, hold on, guys. You kicked me out? Bro, my bad, bro. I didn't know what your name was. Bro, kick it out. Bro. The names don't even show up on Discord. It's like because I'm on streamer mode. The people on YouTube is fucking it up. No, they're not. It's not the end of the world. Is everyone in the Discord? Mountain 93, you're back in, bro. All right. We all good to go? Rob, join. Rob, you're in here. I literally see you. Why is Steel in here? What is Steel doing in the Kahoot? That's just not fair. Steel, you can't win, bro. Bro's a whole analyst. It's not letting you in. All right, well that's your guys' fault because if everyone else can join, there, it's not gonna kick people out. Are you Palestinian? No. Yo, Steel, get the fuck out of there, bro. Let me call Steel. Player limit reached. All right, we'll get rid of this guy. Get rid of this dude. All right, we got more spots. Bro, are you trying to join the Kahoot right now? Bro, someone's joining the Kahoot I'm hosting and they keep putting their name as Steel Arms, bro. Yeah, I was like, Steel. I was like, yo, Steel can't be in here, bro. He'll win. Yeah. All right, I'll hit you up. All right, peace. All right. All right, I'm about to start the Kahoot, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. All right. Guys, don't worry. The YouTube people have a delay, so only the actual people in Discord will be able to get it. So what is a futures contract, guys? Guarantee to buy stocks later, a long-term bond agreement, a rental agreement for equities, or an agreement to buy and sell a commodity at a future date. Boom. 2 people got it wrong. Damn. 4 people got it wrong and 21 people got it right. It's literally in the name, guys. Come on. It's Ito Shirin. Yo, make sure he's in the Discord. Next. Why do we prefer futures over options for beginners? Futures have higher time decay. Options require more money. Options are too simple, or futures are simpler and more transparent. Yeah, no, this is a subjective ass question. Well, I'm even confused. Futures are simpler and more transparent. I mean, to be honest, blue could have been the right answer too, but we blame Wob. Next. Den. Is Den in the Discord? Who's Den in the Discord? Who's this person? Fatty. Yo, Wob. Check these names. Wob. Check these names, match them with the Discord, and if they don't match up, I'm gonna kick them out. Bro, I don't give 2 shits if you're eating, Wob. I don't care. I don't care. All right, who's not in here? Just give the top 5 under them. No, I can kick them out here. So Den's not in the Discord. Removed. Fatty Ninja's not in the Discord. Oh, he is here. He is here. All right. Braham is in here. Chain's in here. Glocky Balboa. Turbo. I know these guys. Next. What's the minimum price movement in futures called? Is it a point, tick, spread, or pip? You have to... Don't type in the chat. You got to click it on the thing, guys. He's trying to finesse. Someone actually voided point. Yo, he's sabotaging. It's a tick, guys. Glocky, Joey, Turbo, Chain. There we go. Next. We have 2 cahoots, guys. We have 2 cahoots. What does 1 point equal in NQ features? Value in money with 1 NQ. So after 1 point, how much does that equal in dollars? $5, $10, 2 fishes, or $20? Yo, these guys are actually trying to sabotage in the Discord. Guys, it's not off on timing. You have to be in the Discord, in the free trial. They were doing this for the Discord. You guys are just watching it as entertainment right now. Are we going to trade? Yes! Let me have fun. Who the fuck said $5? Who said, why was there more people saying $10? Thanos literally just, oh my God. You're not too late. We're going to have a second Kahoot too. We have 2. $20 is the right answer. 1 point is $20, guys. Wait, is this guy, yo, guys, is this guy, whatever this name is he in the Discord? Who's this? Oh, he's in here. He's right there. All right. Boom. Next. Which tool helps track performance and trading stats like win rate and P&L? Thinkorswim, TradingView, Shinobi's Brain, or TradeZella? Yo, this is the easiest fucking quiz of all time, Wob. Like, you need to make it a little harder. Hopefully the next one's a little harder. The next one is gonna be for people who actually watched the courses and studied the blueprints. TradeZella. Yep, there you go. Who's in the lead? La Pampara is in the lead. Then Joey, then Madhu. Fatty Ninja and Glocky, you guys, only the top 3 are gonna win. 4 and 5 doesn't count. So you guys you got 3 questions. What does break of structure indicate? Market is undecided. There's a trend continuation, a trend reversal, or a chop fest. Just so you guys know, the faster you answer, the more points you get. Like, this depends on who teaches it? No. Usually it's a trend reversal. And it could be a trade continuation too. Wait, no, it's a reversal. Yeah. Damn, Joey took the fucking lead. Joey took the lead. Guys, blame Wob if you don't like the Kahoot. You guys got too much. Break of structure is a continuation. Thanos, are you stupid? You stupid Somali? Are you actually stupid? Guys, Thanos is Somali, by the way, and he lives in Minnesota. Where is external range liquidity usually found? Middle of candles, indicators, swing highs and lows, or volume profile? Now tell me this. Is this a hard question for you P-brains as well, Thanos? Who the fuck said volume profile? You guys aren't even trying. Holy shit. 4 people said volume profile. It's swing highs and lows, guys. Come on. External range liquidity, swing highs and lows. Joey, Glocky, and Chain. Ancient Potato coming up on the leaderboard. What is the biggest mistake most people make in their trading journeys? Using a small account, using a market order, over trading, or lack of a trading plan? Yo, wow, what are these questions, bro? This is subjective as fuck. Yo, wow, what the fuck is this? Oh, okay. Those are the two main ones. Okay, there we go. There you go. There you go. I'm about to say, it could be either one of these. All right, who's in the lead? Joey, Glocky, and Ancient Potato. Chain FN and Toot. Who's Toot? Do we have a Toot in this Discord? Oh, Toot's right there. Shout out Toot. What is the color of Wob's cat? Trick question. Oh, dude, if you're in the live trading, you know this. If you're in the live trading every day, you know this shit. This is the easiest question of all time. Orange. A white cat? He has a dog? But yo, it's literally his profile picture, guys. You guys don't know about Wob's cat? Yo. How did you guys not know? He literally sent a picture of it today. All right, third place we have Glocky Balboa. Second place we have Joey. And first place we have... Hold on. Ancient Potato! All right, yo, Wob. Ancient Potato, Joey, and Glocky Balboa. First set of winners. Yo, that was mad fun, bro. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I'm gonna bring up the second Kahoot right now. All right? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna bring that up right now. I'm pouring his account. Hold on. Yo, we might have to make this an everyday thing. This is fun. Joey said to give his account away. Where did he say that? You can give my account to someone else? We'll do something fun for Joey's account. Because that's a special account. Alright? We'll do something fun for Joey's account. Let me find the other Kahoot. Put it on stake. Oh, this one's harder. This one's definitely going to be harder for you guys. This is an advanced one. All right, guys. Here's the link. Everyone in the Discord, join up on it. Make sure your name is the same as it is on Discord. Guys, we're not hosting a dick sucking contest for the last one, guys. For the last account, we are not hosting it. Let me know when everyone is in. Bro said the color is cat. I knew I was finished. Oh shit, Joey called me. Oh, let me call her Luke Tran. Yo. Yeah, I was about to say, join the Kahoot thing, bro. This is fun as fuck. Bro, the last question was what color was one of my mod's cats, bro? Like, if you weren't in the Discord for, like, at least a month, you wouldn't know that. She was so funny, bro. Chats. Thought he had a fucking dog? No, bro. You start on the blueprints, then the intern courses. Damn, we have 50 people in the in the Kahoot live. We don't have this many people in live trading. I bet. Guys, if you want to join the Kahoot, you have to join the free trial. It's there. It's only for the Discord. One day when we'll do this tomorrow, we'll host a Kahoot and giveaways only for the YouTube stream. We're gonna start trading here soon enough. The Asia session actually looks pretty decent today. Is everyone in the Discord in? Shinobi, show your face. Where's Luke?
Yo.
Luke Tran.
Dude, my headphones aren't even on the whole time. I'm tripping, bro.
Oh shit. Bro, this is honestly one of the most fun things ever.
A good segment for sure.
Nah, this is a good segment, bro. Also, guys, on the YouTube live stream, we're gonna try and get Powell today. He was supposed to hop on, but he's sleeping right now because he's in Norway. But if he wakes up, he's hopping on the live. Yeah, he's hopping on the lives today, though. He said.
All right, everyone, join up the Kahoot.
All right. Is everyone in? I'm about to start it at 9:40. I'm starting in 1 minute.
Yo. I just showed it to my chat. Give it like 2 minutes.
Oh, your chat's doing it too?
2
All right,
minutes.
bet.
Yeah.
I'm giving it to 9:42. They're not gonna get this
Yeah,
one. This
give
is
it
all.
to-
This is all order flow stuff.
Oh, bruh.
Yeah, we just did the beginner one.
Bro, I don't... Nah.
We just did the beginner one.
I don't do order flow. Shit. So this is a whole jumbled...
All right, we'll do this. We're gonna kick out the people who won last game. So Potato won. Joey won.
Hey, look, I might just take this off my stream because...
Yeah, take it
order
off your
flow.
stream. Take it off your stream. And then where's
Whoopsie.
the Glocky Balboa join this time? Unfortunately, guys,
No.
Glocky's out because you guys already won. Dead Boy Cole? Yeah, that's not a guy in the Discord. All right, ready? Glocky, you already won, bro. Let the other folks win. All right, ready, set, go. I'm excited for this one. Discord Kahoot Part 2. What is the core concept behind order flow trading? Reading news reports, tracking moving averages, watching real-time market orders at the bid and the ask, or following RSI indicators? You could guess this. You could guess this one, guys. Let's not be stupid. Let's use brain powers. Tracking moving averages, following RSI. Guys, come on. You should know this. If you've watched one single video in the Discord, yo, is Ancient Deer in the Discord? Who's Ancient Deer? Or Agent Deer? You have 1 second. If you're not in the Discord, I'm going to have to kick you. Everyone on this top 5 list right now, type in the chat. If you're top 5 right now, type in the chat. King Kalia, all right. AM. Okay, you're a backstar. All right, Toots in here. Kalia's in here. Who's Alec and Agent Deer? Who are these two guys? You guys have 2 seconds. All right, Agent Deer out. Alec, do we have an Alec in here in the Discord? Is that Alec? Nope, we don't. I have streamer mode enabled. All right, Alec is out. All right. Tenjin, Ari. Okay, I recognize all these names. What do footprint charts show? Do they show price levels of support and resistance, buy and sell volume at each price level within a candlestick, only candlestick patterns, or options data for futures? This is simple as well, guys. If you read one blueprint or watched one intern, let's go. Everyone got this answer right. Let's go. All right, who's Icy? Who's Icy? Icy, type of the Discord. Okay, Icy's in here. All right, we're good. Continuing forth. What does positive delta represent? Does it represent more sellers? Price is neutral, spread is narrowing, or buyers are aggressive? We're talking about positive delta. These are some simple dimple questions, guys. You should know all these. Continuing forth. Buyers were more aggressive. Correct. Positive delta means there's more buyers. Tenjin Uzi, let's go. All right. All these names are names we recognize. Very nice. What is absorption and order flow? When the market gaps up, when price hits resistance and falls, or when limit orders absorb aggressive market orders, or when volume dries up? What is absorption? If anyone gets this wrong, I'm going to be pissed. Yo, are some of you guys slow? What is absorption? When limit orders absorb aggressive market orders. We've been through this every day in live trading. Tenjin Uzi is winning. Some of you guys, if you're losing right now, you should be studying up on the courses. What analogy is used to describe market structure? A casino, pendulum, an auction, or a spinning top? Benjamin, someone said. Pendulum? Or did I say Benjamin? We've gone over it, guys. Auction market theory. Multiple times. Thanos Thought Hunter. That's Thanos. Ron. All right. All these names check out. Why are institutions important in order flow trading? They only trade options. They stabilize price and provide real liquidity. They follow retail trades, or they avoid footprint charts. This is simple stuff. You guys should all know this. If you've been in live trading once or pay attention to Discord at all, you should know this. Exactly. We just had class on this too, so I would have been mad if a lot of people got that wrong. What chart shows where the most contracts traded without showing buyer or seller split? The bid and ask footprint or the delta footprint? Volume footprint or RSI chart? This is pretty easy, Wub. Volume footprint. Where are the most contracts traded? Right? Where are the most contracts traded? Delta shows the difference between the buyers and sellers, right? Bid and ask shows the bid and ask. Where are the most contracts traded? That's a volume footprint chart. This was a trick question, to be honest. I don't blame a lot of you guys if you got it wrong. Backstar. What is a trap trader scenario? A trader uses RSI incorrectly, someone buying into fake breakouts, a person holding options overnight, or a day trader following too many indicators. Yo, Tenjin, guys, don't listen to Tenjin, bro. He's throwing everyone off. It's B. Someone buying into fake breakouts. That's how the trader gets trapped. That's the trap trader scenario. Thanos Thought Hunter. Back in 5th place. So far, Tenjin, Backstar, and Fatty Ninja are in the lead. What do high volume nodes on a footprint represent? Though they represent areas of little interest, reversal candlestick signals, or zones of accumulation or support and resistance. If you guys watched any of the YouTube videos or classes, you should know this answer. It's very simple. That is correct. zones of accumulation or support and resistance. Backstar is number 1. What is one common mistake traders make when using footprint charts? They overanalyze every number instead of key patterns. They only use 1-minute candles, or trading only after news events. This isn't that subjective. Overanalyzing every number instead of key patterns. That's like the most popular mistake. All right. At number 3, we have Fatty Ninja. Then we had Tengen. And then at number 1, we have Backstar. All right. Boom. So we just gave away 6 50K accounts. Shinobi, are we done? Yeah, we'll do something fun tomorrow for Joey's account. We'll do something fun for Joey's account. But now, guys, I'm going to go live trade Asia. I'll get everyone those accounts today. And yeah, Wob will reach out to you guys, and we'll get the accounts to you guys by tomorrow. Peace out, everyone. And make sure everyone who's in the Discord join the YouTube live stream, please. I want more viewers in there. I saw all you guys leave that and join this. All right. All right, giveaway's over. Now we can start trading again. That was fun. You guys have fun watching that? Or was it not fun? Let's look at the market, see what we got going on over here. That was a Jewy Kahoot. No, it wasn't, Thanos. You just suck. Honestly, market's probably just going to go for these highs here. So right now, guys, what I'm seeing in the market is that we traded into this previous swing low, swept that liquidity. We're most likely going for these relative equal highs. The fact that over here we left this last week and rejected and moved lower into this area, bounced off this little spot here, tells me we're probably going to go for this high. I'm still surprised that we left this weekly gap open. I expect us to trade into there sometime either this week or next week. And we'll go from there. Bro, give me one of your wide monitors. Thanos, you're crazy, bro. What's up, guys? Yo,
Yo. Say something?
yep,
Check my OBS keep it.
yep.
Okay. Perfect.
Bro, that show was so much fun.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, we got to do one for the YouTubes.
we'll quick some shit up.
Let's see. What are you looking at? I'm looking for a pullback to
What?
long into that previous high.
I didn't know what was in chat. But yeah, I agree. Shorts into a move up would be nice.
Yeah. Well, I don't think we'll get shorts, to be honest.
I think so. Wait, yes, is dragging its nuts down.
Yeah, but it's not giving any entries right now. It's like even on a lower
Yeah.
1 minute time frame, it's just acting super odd.
Yeah, there's nothing on the one.
Yeah. Nothing on the 1 minute right now, just because it's like really chopped.
Should we get? Let me FaceTime Matthew.
Yeah, FaceTime Matt. But the fact that we also didn't go take out that high at this 4 hour high when we traded back up there is kind of like, and we're
I need to mute.
all right, bet mute. But guys, we're leaving a lot of stacked highs, and the market isn't really moving from there. Wait, Luke, I'm gonna go take off my turban and put on my hat, bro. Give me 1 minute. Entertain the stream.
Matt's at church. Yo, Matt said he's at church, so nothing today. Maybe Powell later though, if he actually wakes up. Because low key, it's what 3 a.m. I'll text him see if he's gonna pop in or not. How long did it take for me to be profitable? Like 2 years. But like the first year and a half was me being a dumbass. So this is going on options, live funds, and I just blew it all for no reason. What do you think set you apart from the most people my age trying to trade? They half-ass it. You see them all clubbing and shit. I maybe go on a trip a month, maybe, but most of the time it's business. Like last trip, I just went to go connect with Shinobi, Key, Matt, and now I have everyone. It was nice talking to like-minded people in the same field, niche, whatever. No, barely use standard deviations. The best way to understand how news affects the markets. Learn how to read the markets. News does nothing. All it does is just make it go faster. The best way to how would I start over again? Really just paper trade. Paper trading wasn't a big thing back then. It wasn't known. Now it's way better. Like I didn't have to, like hindsight now, I didn't have to lose all my like a shitload of money, all my paychecks, just so I could learn my lesson in trading. My go-to order is a burrito, brown rice, double steak, queso, cheese, lettuce, corn. Yeah, and a side of queso. Whoa. Yeah, that shit fire. I'm already looking at Shinobi's stream. I didn't pull that up. Shinobi. Let me pull up Shinobi's stream real quick in case their guys are asking me questions. I'd take a loss. Be a boss, yeah. You could minimize you actually losing real money if you went to go in paper trade, right? Do me and Shinobi trade the same? No. Thing is, the misconception is that everyone tries to trade the same exact way or something. Or like everyone thinks there's only one profitable way. There isn't. That's why me and Shinobi, he does like order flow, I do something else. We relatively have the same entries. very, very relatively hindsight. Not hindsight, like relatively close on entries within like a 5 point difference from each other, which is not huge at all. The markets are, I mean, a lot of things work. I know people that are good at like support and resistance, blah blah blah, order flow, trend lines. It's weird. Like a lot of people do a lot of shit. I do want this divergence between this low taken out. Let's see what's happening with that. One of the best things you should learn is SMT divergence. I just call it divergence. SMT rebranding that stupid shit. Free trial? No. I hate doing free trial shit, dude. So many people wasting my time. They just hop in there. I let like 600 people into my Discord for free. Did a one live meeting. Bro, like 10 people showed up. And I was like, alright. I manually went in and kicked every single person out. Every single, all 600 people out. No way. I stream during sessions in the Discord? Yeah, I'm getting back into it. I've been short for the past 2 hours. Brutal ass hold. Shorting a sideways market. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I don't do monthly. I only do mentorships. So, sorry. I didn't want to say that in Shinobi's.
I'm back, chat.
What do I think of Top Step? They're mediocre.
If they
Good for beginners.
if they got
But, like, if you're an actual...
if they got rid of that consistency rule in the evals, they would be way better.
Yeah, but they said if they remove the consistency rule, they're going to move it to the lives. Or the fundeds.
Dude, they make enough money. They can just remove it and be good.
Yeah. It's good for beginners, but, like, some of the rules are tight. Just payout reasons. The 50% profit split is nuts to me, though.
hmm Is the giveaway over? Yeah, we did that in the beginning of the stream. Right now, I'm looking for pullbacks to long or an entry to short down to my pullback level. But right now, as you guys know, Asia session's very slow usually, so it might take us a little bit.
It's slow chop down, though. But and he's dead ass sideways. Yes, it's chopping a little bit down to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
Where's Powell? It's 2-3 a.m. for him.
Yeah, he should.
Or 4. Some shit.
He said he would wake
Should
up.
be. He's sleeping. Yeah, we'll get him in here one of these days. We just don't want to like screw someone's sleep schedule up.
I don't give two shits. I'll screw it up. I'll call him right now.
Yeah.
Let's see if he picks up.
I show my chart color settings. Yeah, they actually stopped making this color.
That's what I said about mine.
Yeah, they actually. Yeah, the creator of the color actually just passed away and
yeah.
doesn't let anyone use it.
Yeah, no, dude. Like that's actually what happened with my chart colors as well. Like the person who actually made this paint, he actually has a copyright on the paint to where he was the only one allowed to use it. And he passed it on to me. And just to preserve his legacy, I don't want to share it with anyone else because if I do, then that's kind of fucking with his legacy, and I just can't do that. I'll do the same for any of you guys. Like if you had a trademark over a color and you gave it to me, I would not give it to anyone.
We just went through the same thing about the colors, man.
Hmm.
I think we created both of our
He
colors.
did.
That
He
shit.
did. He trademarked both of our colors and he gave it out to us because he's like,
Yeah.
yo, I've never seen such handsome, good looking traders in my life and I just want to give them to you guys. But please don't give them to anyone else. So I just never gave the colors.
Mhm.
When we think about my funded
Mhm.
futures, I think they're good. Their payout cap is just stupid. $1,200 is so bad for a payout cap.
What's a split though? Is that just the max?
That's the max. That's the
Oh,
max you get first payout.
jeez.
Like Apex is
Well, I might
2K.
as well go work a job.
Yeah, Apex is 2K, but you stack 20 accounts on Apex, you're good. But that's also why Alpha Futures is cool.
MFFU is weekly? Is MFFU for weekly?
I have no idea. I don't trade with them anymore.
If it is, that's so bad.
Mhm.
Like, if it's bi-weekly, that's even worse, bro.
Dude, they're just Jewish.
Dude, yeah, let me only give you 1,200, even though you made probably like 10 G's this past week or past 2 weeks. Dude, that's such a bad cap.
Yeah.
That's why I work with Alpha.
And they move you to live so quickly, like it just hinders you. Like,
Deadass.
bro, getting moved to a live account with any firm,
It is 14 days, bro. Oh my gosh, that's bad.
yeah.
You could make more at a job than 1,200 at. Oh my gosh, bro.
Literally. Bro, the thing is,
You could seriously.
there's not a single firm out there where being a live trader is better than maybe Tradeify, but being sim funded is always way better. See if we get some pullbacks.
Move to a funded. Okay.
Not gonna lie, I like 42 on NQ.
Belongs.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, roughly the 45. So what's the difference with the expert? Experts. My funded futures. I don't get it. Like, what is the whole thing? It's a bank account on the expert plan on MFU. On Alpha, it's 15K max payout. Better splits. I think 70 on standard. First 2 or 3 is 70. After like 2 or something, I think you get 80. And then on advance, it's straight up 90% off rip. Yeah, it's trash. Same drawdown as everything else for an advance and funded though. Advance and starter.
SMT at the highs happening as well, so we could see that move lower.
Yeah, do want to move lower before we go any higher. We need alpha code ET. Oh, sorry, I don't want to drop. Don't want to code drop in his. Dang. Boom. Boom. I'll do a raffle. Every stream, I'm probably gonna try to give away a 50K. A 50K eval. Just.
What's the price
I
limit?
don't know.
I have a long limit at 42. 42, and then I have a stop loss at 40 or at 32. 442, stop loss 432. Unless we could get a move higher that I can short, I would actually love that. Like this SMT that we're having at the highs. $72.25 looks good for a move lower. I would take that with lighter size though. $2.25. It's the reason you don't day trade options, because I don't want to. I've already made plenty of money from trading options, and it's a lot less stressful if I trade futures now. Like guys, I've made my money with options. This isn't a flex. I've made 1.3 million from options, but the amount of stress that options brings, like I'm in a trade with 40K, 30K, right? And not having a predefined risk because you can't, it's just so much stress, you know? And in my opinion, futures are a lot more sustainable than day trading options. I like swinging options a lot more. I'll take the money I make from futures. Like, guys, when we had that entire dump off tariff news, I literally took my entire futures account, threw it into my long term port, bought Tesla, bought Nvidia. I'm up over 50% on both of those, and just long term positions. And then my long term swing on Robinhood. I bought 2027 calls on those. Those are up massive as well. So that's how I think you should trade. I think you should be day trade, and take that money, invest it long term. Protect yourself, right? Day trading options to me, just, dude, it's so much stress. Like, people always ask me, they're like, oh, what should I do? You know, I'm trading, I'm making money. Dude, take that money, invest that shit long term. Invest it into cash flowing assets. Invest it somewhere where you have peace of mind. The most valuable asset you can have is your peace of mind. Set yourself up for the future. That's the best thing you can do for yourself. Tried to Manoli, hop on a Discord. Do you have any hobbies? I mean, I collect like stupid things. Like, dude, I collect pens. I collect pens, like pocket knives, journals, like stupid shit, bro. Like, I like making videos. Like, this is my hobby, right? Like, I like growing on social media. I like making videos. Like, if you guys watch any of my Instagram videos, you see how high production they are. Like, look, I have camera here. I have a fucking DSLR there. I have a vintage camera here where it records MP4 now. I have digital vintage cameras, digital film cameras. You know, like I like shit like that. Shinobi, have you turned off the delay? I tried, but there's still a delay. Like, look at this pen. It's called a bolt action. It's made out of titanium, and it's just like fun to play around with. I have a bunch of Mont Blancs. Like, I'll show you guys right now. It's actually kind of sad. I have a little pen roll. Like, thing is full of like cool ass pens. I have this. These are all from Japan, and then this is a Mont Blanc. I have a Great Gatsby Mont Blanc. Like I have stupid shit, bro. But it's like they make me happy, you know. I collect watches. How old are you? I'm 22. I turn 23 next month. But so I think it's fun having like stupid hobbies like that, or like just things to do, or I like shit like that. I don't know why. I always have. That's actually sick. Bro, that's funny. You went to Japan without me? This isn't coming to Japan with me, Thanos. The fuck? Find stuff that makes you happy. Exactly, you know? Like a lot of people they like cars and shit like that, bro. Dude, I like cars too, but like, dude, I don't leave the house. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, I'll trade, sleep, eat, and then back test or live stream or make videos. Like my entire life revolves around trading. Like I love this shit. Like I genuinely the most happiness I have like for the past 6 years, guys, like you'll see in my YouTube channel. Like you guys literally seen me grow up. By the time I was 17 when I first started trading, I've been making videos documenting my journey, right? So it's like this has been my entire life for 6 years. This is what I love doing. I love trading and I love making videos about it. A lot of other people, they don't care about making videos and stuff like that. They more so care about like how it converts to like sales and shit. That's cool and all too, but dude, for me it's just like if you guys look at the past few Asia live streams, we've been streaming for 6 hours straight, 7 hours straight. Like that's just like what we do. It's just fun to us. Like I love doing that shit. It's so much fun to me. And building this community. So you're never doing a 9 to 5 job? Bro, we used to work at a gas station 12 hours a day and DoorDash at the same time, bro. I'm never going back to a 9 to 5. Like if it ever comes down to where I have to go back to a 9 to 5, I'll do it. But all that money is being put right back into trading and I'm getting back up. Like there's no way I'm gonna like if I lose everything, I'll get it back. Like that's happened to me before. After I made my first like half a million, I lost it all and then I grinded my way back. So I know I could do it again if it comes down to it. And also like I made a YouTube video starting from 0 taking it to 10K. Me and my friend, we started a YouTube challenge where I DoorDashed, bought a 50K account and got a payout and then we're trading that to 10K. I'm making that like an entire YouTube video going from 0 to 10K a month trading. How long you been profitable for? Since 2021. That was my first profitable year. And I started trading late 2019. Hey, are we in a trade? No, not yet. We might get filled here. Let's see. Might get filled here. Let me post my... Let's see if we get filled. How do you stay consistent? I don't know. It's just the amount of hours I put into trading, right? So staying consistent isn't more so about like a strategy or whatever. It's constant improvement, right? Trading is constant improvement. So you can trade every single day and not improve. It's the amount of work you put in after trading, right? So for me, after I'm done trading, I'm journaling, I'm back testing, I'm forward testing, I'm going from there. I'm looking to short 472.25. It literally edged my fill. Guys, if you're not profitable, you should be spending to this day. To this day, I'll spend 20 hours a week learning. You got filled on MNQ? I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled on any of my accounts. This is BS. If this candle closes and doesn't fill, I really want it to fill me. I really want to be in the short. How did you lose half a mil? I gave to my parents. I had 50K left, and then I blew it one day in Friday 0DTs trading SPX. 20 hours a week just learning. Back testing and journaling, you should be even more, right? And guys, this isn't me saying like I'm one of those people who's not gonna lie. I just don't. If you can't put in 20 hours a week into learning something that can change your life and like back testing or forward testing, putting as much time as you can into it, I don't think this is trading's for you. You know, I don't. If you don't want it that bad, like people are like, oh well, I quit. I started trading so I didn't have to work 9 to 5 and have to. Bro, trading and running a business, guys, that's 24/7. That's how it is. It's 24/7. How do you backtest with order flow? There's a replay mode in Sierra charts. I'm so mad this didn't fill me. I'm actually kind of annoyed. Literally missed our fill by a tick, guys. Let's see if it goes back and fills us. How long are you to keep doing these servers? I don't know. If we keep, like, if the streams keep improving and more people keep watching, and you guys actually care and, like, you know, look forward to these every day, and you're like, oh, like, and people tune in, I'll do them. I don't care. I'm going to trade this session regardless, whether I'm streaming or not, you know, so I might as well stream. But when it stops becoming fun for me, is when I stop. Is NQ NAS 100? Yes. It filled for you? Well, then you're better off than me. You're already up. I'm not. I'm not even in. And the play is going my direction. What's the reason for the short limit? Trading into this fair value gap here, which is above the 50% of this range, and that we have to move a little bit lower just because we have SMT at the highs with ES. And we just got even more SMT here. We'd even trade into this fair value gap on ES. How do your trims and stuff? Do you just go so every single time I hop into a trade, guys, it's for me, I always have a 10-point stop on NQ. So the second I'm up 20 points, I move my stop to break even once I'm up 2R. Because that means the trade's moving in my direction. And yeah. You also just took a bunch of equal highs. The thing is we haven't, right? Like, we left this high up here, which should have been mitigated or at least swept. And then we left this high up here. So if we go on the 4-hour, you'll see we're most likely going to go for this high up here. If we're looking at the overall chart on the 4-hour, we should be heading for these relative equal highs. In my opinion, you know. What's SMT? Smart money technique. Basically, what happens is, like, I'll explain SMT right now. So you guys should pay attention here. So everyone knows that NQ and ES move similarly, right? They're supposed to move together. So now let's say NQ had a high and ES had that same high, right? But NQ goes and takes that high and ES doesn't. That's an SMT, right? That means that if it happens at the highs, if we have SMT at the highs, that means the market should move lower, right? Now, if it happens at the lows, that means the market continues higher. Now, that can also be used if, say, like, look at this, right? We're here. You guys see this, you guys see this fair value gap we have right here? You guys see how we traded into it and then rejected? Now, if we go to ES here, you guys see how we didn't trade into it at all? That's also considered SMT. You're just naturally entertaining? Yeah, bro. Dude, honestly, I get that a lot. I'm lying. I've never got that before. I don't know why I just sat there and lied to you guys. Bro, I'm so pissed, bro. It missed my fill by a tick. Did any of you guys get filled on that, like on the spread? How many of you guys got filled on that short? It missed my fill by 1 tick. Yeah, and I appreciate everyone in here. I think this is the most viewers we've ever had. 193. I think our highest was 170 yesterday. So shout out to everyone in here. What platform? Either Apex or Alpha. Is this similar to Divergence? Yeah. It is a Divergence. You got filled? Dang. A bunch of you guys got filled. Lucky motherfuckers, bro. I didn't get filled. You guys are up. I hope it goes back to my entry and fills me so I can be in it too. Did you still stay friends with people with high school? No, I didn't. That's the thing is like, when you want to reinvent yourself, you're going to have to drop people who just don't see the vision, right? So what you guys have to understand is like, if people make you doubt your vision and submit to your fear, you don't want those people, right? You want to doubt your fear and submit to your vision. So people who believe in your vision and believe in you achieving your vision, those are the people you keep around. But when I started, bro, no one knew what trading was. Like, it's not as mainstream as it is now. When I started trading 6 years ago. So, and I was in high school. So you could just imagine, like, people are like, yo, what? Like, you told someone you're a day trader, they're like, what is that? Now you tell someone you're a day trader, they're like, oh, you're a scammer. You mainly use the 5-minute? Yeah. Let's see if we get filled here. $16 years old. I run other businesses and I want to make trading full time. Any suggestions? If you're making money with your other businesses, bro, and you're making a decent amount, don't even get into trading to start, right? What I would recommend is take that money and put it into long-term investments. You're 16 years old, bro. You got your entire life ahead of you. If you're making 5 to 10K a month from other businesses, fuck day trading, bro. Take that money. You're 16. Put that long term. Wait 20 years, bro. You'll be good. right? Or take that money and swing trade. If you're 16, you got school, you got things to focus on, swing trade. Look at 4-hour time frames, daily time frames. Look for setups there and then go from there, right? Take trades based off the 4-hour, the daily. No, I'm not worried about leverage at all. My take profit is all the way at my buy limit. I have 442. How far back on standard deviation do you look for PD arrays as long as short? I don't really use standard deviations. I know a lot of people that do, but I don't. I've been day trading 1 to 2 years. I'm not complaining. I understand basically all. I just got to pack them together. So you can't. You need a strategy before you trade confluences. Yeah, my parents made me go to college, but then I dropped out after 3 years. I dropped out of my last year. Is your short active? It hasn't filled me yet. How many trades you take a day? 1, 2, not many. I don't trade. I don't take many trades. Do you usually trade this time? Yeah. This is actually one of my favorite times to trade. The market's just so much slower. I can stream, I can watch YouTube, I can do whatever. It's fun. How much do you think the average person makes monthly to live? It depends. It depends on how much you spend. It depends on the place you live. I don't think there's a single number, and I think it's very unfair to come up with a number where it's like, hey, um, you need to be making 10K a month to survive. It's like, bro, I know people that survive off 3K a month. My family used to survive off 3K a month. 2 kids. Really just depends on your spending habits, where you live, all that sort of stuff. When he dropped out, you was profitable? Yeah, I was profitable as fuck when I dropped out. Do you go live every day around this time? Yes. Every day at 9 p.m. Eastern, I will be going live. Just passed my top step today. Let's fucking go, Ethan. Let's fucking go. That's huge. Passing a top step funded when they have a consistency rule is so tough sometimes. So it's really good you did that. Good job. London Loki moves better? It does. It does. It does 100% move better. Where, if you guys don't mind me asking, where did you guys all find the stream from? Did you guys join from TikTok, Instagram? Like, did you find it YouTube recommended? Like, where'd you guys find the stream from? Did you have prop firms when you first started? No, I traded all my own money when I first started. Well, concept up 2,800 on the day. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Putting game on these lives. Yo, I appreciate it, Ethan. That means a lot, man. Key, Telegram, Luke, TikTok, Jerkmate, YouTube recommended, Discord, OnlyFans, Insta, Pornhub, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace from your Discord. Friend sent the link to me. Fire. Appreciate you guys sharing the stream around. How do you stop over trading? So, you make the decision that, hey, I'm done being a fucking idiot and I'm not gonna overtrade anymore, and it's that simple, right? Like when people always ask me, they're like, how do I stop overtrading? How do I stop making mistakes? You make that. It's like you have to learn from experience, right? You touch the stove is running. You have a pot there, and you touch it. You burn your fucking hand. Next time, you're not gonna touch it. You will keep touching it if you're stupid as shit. You revenge trade once and blow your accounts. You waste money multiple times. Like, why are you gonna keep doing it? Come to that conclusion. Be like, yo, you are absolutely fucking stupid, right? For touching the pan over and over again. Like, learn your lesson, right? And if you can't learn your lesson, then I got bad news. You're not gonna be profitable. It's either you follow your rules and you're profitable, or you don't follow your rules and then you waste a bunch of money and a bunch of your life trying to trade this stuff. There's no easy answer. It's either you follow your rules and you become profitable and live a life you never would have dreamed of, or you don't, and now you're just stupid. And you wasted time. And everyone who told you, hey, don't trade, it's a waste of time, blah, blah, they're all right. And you're going to have to do the walk of shame. Everyone's like, oh, how's trading going? Oh, I quit because I couldn't follow my rules because I'm stupid and undisciplined. Is that really what you want to hear from people? No, right? So what are you going to do next time? Just follow your rules. Every time you don't follow your rules, you're proving the people that doubt you right. Because they told you weren't built for this shit. Then here you are proving them right day in and day out.
Order filled.
All right, it just filled me. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we continue higher or...
Dude, I'm sorry. I totally forgot I was on deafin the whole time.
Yeah. Bro, I hit 200 viewers. Also, I'm short here.
Fire. Fire, fire, fire.
Did you get filled on any of your positions you were looking at?
No, I'm not gonna trade this sideways shit, bro. Me personally, I'm not.
Oh, dude, I'm retarded. I'll trade it.
Yeah, I just don't want to just force a trade just because we're live and shit. I'm not gonna do this shit.
Yeah, too late for that for me now.
Yeah.
If this doesn't work out, I'll probably call it. I'm not gonna force trades after this.
Yeah.
All right, I top ticked and
Good shit.
yeah.
Yeah, Manoli, you were right. Manoli was right about the bottom yesterday night, bro. This shit's nuts.
That was nuts.
He's like, yo, this is bottom. This probably is bottom. Boom.
He's such a nutty guy, bro. He's always right.
He's the goodest of boys.
He's an interesting critter, man. I fuck with Manoli.
Dude, you guys want to play Court later?
Yeah, bro. After this live, I'm so down.
We need a force though. We'll see if like Powell or Matt wants to get on.
Yeah. To be honest, what I might do is I might end the stream here at like 11 p.m. ish, and then
Yep.
if I'm still up at London session, I might go live then. rather than waiting it through. I just noticed I don't have to go live from Asia into London. I could just trade Asia, and then at London, I can just trade London. Shinobi, are you on a delay?
Manoli goes,
Yeah, a little bit.
we have to practice.
We have to practice what?
For FNCS trios.
Dude. I actually have to practice with my jerkmate trio today.
What?
Yeah.
Ah, bro, I'm not running any stream with or with a random viewer, bro. That's so scary.
Yeah, bro.
Just to randomly do it. That's just nuts. I'm not gonna lie. Sketchy.
It's not very streaky.
Oh shit.
What?
Hello. Yeah, it's Liddy. When's the giveaway? I'll be doing it in like right at the end. I'll make everyone say a number. Right, Jane. It's just because I wanna give back. Just because these are like the OGs, I suppose. The OG
I already ran my giveaway
streams.
for
Once
the
these
day.
get bigger, it'll be sick.
Yeah.
Really. Fire.
How much should I risk on my 50K account on your type of trades? One mini, because we're only risking $200, I would say.
Yeah. Sometimes. Yeah.
To be honest, if you're trading an eval, guys, bro, risk as much as you fucking want, bro. It's an eval.
But he said, trade them aggressive, dude. If you actually know you have the skill set, why are you taking it slow? All right, giveaway in 4 minutes. I'm gonna go definitely with this. I'm gonna talk to him real quick, okay?
Not if I can't afford another eval, then that's when we get a JOB. Apex is doing a 90% off, guys. Their 50K accounts are literally stack up on 50K accounts. They're $16. You guys go. Drop the link. I stack up on like 10 to 15 of those accounts all the time. I didn't say the JOB word. I just spelled it out. Sometimes if I really need to get it out, I write it down. What's your favorite long-term stocks? Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Google, SPY, VOO. Not even SPY. I like VOO more because you can use that as collateral for like loans and stuff if you really want. If you're into that sort of thing. Heard Apex got shitty rules. If you're in profits, then you get stopped out, break even. It still counts as a loss. Is that true? I don't know. I never really had a problem with Apex. The thing is, guys, I don't have problems with a lot of firms. You just trade the rules. You trade right, you're good. Just don't try doing sketchy shit. Did you have lots of people doubt on your way up? Yes, of course, everyone does. And you can't even get mad at them for doing so, you know? Especially if you're unprofitable in the beginning, bro. People doubt, they have every right to. You're not profitable. They don't understand trading, and you're trying to tell them that, oh, I'm going to become a millionaire. It's like, obviously, they're going to be skeptical. So you have to prove that you can do it before you expect people to not doubt you. The consistency rule is across almost every firm. That's why I partnered with Alpha, because Alpha has 40% consistency 3-day minimum. This is such a slow mover right now, chat. How did you get at trading during college? I feel like my trading gets hindered when I got shit to do for classes. I was already profitable before I even went to college, so I would just skip classes. So my situation might be a little bit different than yours. Like, I really didn't pay attention. Like, I didn't go to class. And this was during COVID as well, so then I would literally just pay people to do my classes for me online and all my tests and stuff. I don't recommend that. I know that's not good, but that's what I did. TPT I heard is good, but Luke had a problem with them. Do you think the feeling of achieving anything you wanted is better than already being rich? I don't know. That's a loaded question. Do you feel? Do you think the feeling of achieving everything you wanted is better than being rich? The stream is delayed, guys. It's delayed 10 seconds. My dad always on my ass when he sees me train, but I know bro's looking out. Exactly. Like, my parents were on my ass until I gave them a check for 50K. You know, like, they're always going to be like that. It's something new. They don't understand it, and they're not going to understand it until you show them results. I'm short right now, Jilo. How can we diversify to make more money? Like, would you recommend have stocks, options trading on the side to multiply your gains? I would recommend have long-term stocks for most of your profits, and then swing trade options, like trade setups on the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and then from there, day trade futures. Day trade futures, swing options, hold long-term stocks.
Alright, I did the giveaway.
Lit.
What now?
I don't know. I'm probably just gonna run the stream till 11, so we got like 12 more minutes, and then
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold this trade. I'll update the free Discord and the free. I'll update the Discord,
Yeah.
and then if we're still up, we'll go live for London possibly. Actually,
Wait, how do you have like a bio in your shit? Hold on now. How do you figure this out? Fire! Dude, we gained like 300 subs in a day.
hell yeah.
Shout out y'all.
Actually, I might end stream here.
Really?
Yeah. But all right, here. Guys, I'm in this trade at 472.25. My stop loss is 482.25. That's where my stop loss is. Once this trade is up 20 points, meaning we get to 452.25, I'm going to be moving my stop to break even. But what I'm going to be doing right now, guys, is I'm going to end the stream. Guys, like up the stream. Let's get to 100 likes. All right? Everyone, make sure you're subscribed. We're so close to 20K subs. And then if you guys want to live trade with me during New York session, when you guys want to trade it with me throughout, you guys want 24/7 access to me, you want giveaways, live trade, classes, all that sort of stuff, I'm hosting a 7-day free trial to the Discord. I'm going to spam it in the chat. You guys can join that completely free. If you don't like it, cancel before the 7 days if you don't want to get charged. And guys, if you're joining the Discord and you're not going to be able to pay for it, do this. Go over here once you get in there. Take screenshots of all this shit. Literally exploit my fucking Discord. You have the free trial. Exploit this shit. Go in here, screenshot all this shit. Screenshot all the information you can get. Then go to intern courses. Screen record all the intern courses before your free trial is up. But then you can hop in here. And if you want to stay, you can stay and you'll have access to every new thing we do as well. I'm going to be looking to take profit at 442. So guys, join the free trial. I truly think it's the most valuable thing you can do that's completely free, even if it's only for 7 days. I highly recommend you guys check it out. And guys, I appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you guys so much for the support. I might go live at 3 a.m. Eastern when London session opens. So if we do, I'll send out a message blast in the Discord and the Telegram, and we'll go from there. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for sticking along for the last 2 hours. And yo, I'll see you guys tomorrow again, 9 p.m. Eastern, every single day we're going to be live. Also, our trade is up. We're up. So you guys can take profit if you really want to. London session's at 3 a.m. But I'll see you guys later. See you in the Discord, hopefully. Join the free trial. Make sure you guys are like, comment, and subbing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern if we don't go live during London session.